I've been receiving a lot of requests to make video on how I got my 1000 subscribers, my first 1000 subscribers. So I've been receiving a lot of requests to make video on that. Guys, I'm going to be very honest. So in today's video, I'm going to make a video about how I was able to gain my first 1000 subscribers. Some certain things I did that helped me to gain 1000 subscribers. So guys, we are not going to waste them, so let's just dive into the video. The first thing I did was to write down about 30 videos I wanted to create. Okay, so I wrote down 30 videos. So guys, my channel, I used to do 3 different things on my channel. I used to talk about skincare, I do product review, and also share tips on how to grow your own YouTube account. So I wrote titles based on these topics. Okay, so more was like how to grow on YouTube. So after that, the second thing I did was to check my apps. I checked my YouTube app, I checked my studio app. So I checked my apps and updated my apps. I also updated the apps that I'm using to edit my videos. So I checked them and updated them. So the third thing I did was to answer some questions. You know, sometimes when you go to YouTube Studio, the website, so you're going to see some questions that YouTube is going to ask you some questions about how your channel is doing, you know, about how you are doing on YouTube, how your videos are doing, and what you think about YouTube. So I answered those questions. I told YouTube that I'm not happy with the way things are going on YouTube, that my contents are not being pushed out. So I told YouTube that my videos are not being pushed out, like my videos doesn't get to large audience. So I told them all these things. They asked me a lot of things, so I choose, like, they were not favoring me. My videos were not getting pushed out. So after that, the next thing I did was to start recording videos. I record different videos and I started posting. I'm going to be very honest, guys. I posted 4 times in a week, like 4 days. I was posting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for 2 weeks, which means 14 days, 8 days in 14 days. Yeah, so I posted 4 times this week, 4 times next week. After that, I stopped posting. Let me be very honest with you guys. When I was posting, some of my videos were getting views and some were not getting views. How was I sad? Yeah, I was sad. I was kind of discouraged, somehow depressed. But you know, I've already decided that I'm not going to give up this time around, because that was a time I gave up. I didn't post for 6 months. So I was like, I'm not going to give up this time around. I kept on posting. So after I was done posting those videos for 2 weeks, I kind of gave a break. Okay, I gave a break. So guys, the next thing I did was I went to YouTube Studio and I set my channel. Like, I added hashtags where I'm supposed to put hashtags. I added description where I'm supposed to put description. You know, I wrote what my channel is all about. I turned some settings on where I'm supposed to turn on. Some settings that I'm supposed to turn on, so I turned them on. Okay, so after setting my channel, you know, guys, I'm going to be very honest to you guys. Another thing I did was I checked some of my old videos, like some of the videos I've posted already. I checked. So guys, another thing I did was to change some of my titles. I changed my titles, like my already existing videos. I changed my titles and also changed some of my thumbnails. Okay, so guys, another thing I did was to create thumbnails. I tried to maintain or one design, like the background of my thumbnail. I try to maintain it. So guys, after doing these things, I gave a break. So after like 2 weeks, YouTube started pushing out my content. Like, YouTube was pushing out my content. I started getting subscribers and views, like, and watch hours. I was like, what is happening? So my greatest surprise, after 2 weeks of posting those videos and after giving break, YouTube pushed out my content. I got 1000 subscribers. Like, this is how I was able to gain 1000 subscribers. So if you really want to gain 1000 subscribers, you need to start posting always. Yes, post always. Okay, post both good and bad videos. See guys, what people don't know is both bad and good comments, all of them contribute to your growth. Okay, all of them are engagement. Even when people are saying negative things about you, do not give a, okay, do not pay much attention to it, because some of them, they contribute to your growth. Okay, What you need is people to engage. You need people to like, comment. You just need engagement for YouTube to push out your videos. Okay, so YouTube started pushing out my videos. I will tell you, if you know you want to gain 1,000 subscribers, make sure you post always. Okay, see, I've got to my 1,000 subscribers before I started going live on YouTube. Like, I started going live on YouTube about 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago or so. Like, it haven't been long I started going live on YouTube. Okay, so start going live on YouTube. It will really help you to get subscribe. I know how many subscribers I got from live. It will help you both watch hour. Okay, not both subscribers and watch hour is going to help you. So if you want to get 1,000 subscribers, make sure you post always. Post your good and bad videos. Okay, and I'll also tell you, keep learning. Okay, keep learning to perfect. So make sure you post both long and short videos. Post both good and bad videos. Both videos you think that doesn't have value and the ones you think that have value. Okay, so post both short and long. If you have up to 50 subscribers, make sure you go live on YouTube. Okay, make sure you go live. See guys, and I will always say, don't give up. And also make sure you post on your community. Okay, don't give up. You are definitely going to get there. It is not easy. It took me more than a year to gain 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it took me more than a year to gain 1,000 subscribers. So guys, I'll always say, do not give up. Okay, if you follow these steps, it's going to help you, because about 3 weeks ago I got 1,000 subscribers. About 3 weeks ago. Yeah, so YouTube started pushing out my content. I started getting views and subscribers. So please do not give up. That's what I will tell you. Okay, consistency pay. It works. Keep pushing, keep posting. Whether you're getting views or not, do not give up. One day you post the one that will kind of get thousands views. Okay, the one that will kind of trend, the one that will kind of go viral, something like that, and you're going to gain a lot of subscribers and a lot of watch hour. That's the honest truth. Okay, that's the honest truth. So guys, these are the things I did. So try and check your settings. Your settings will help you too. It will help you to push out your content. Try and check your settings. Also try and create videos based on trending topics so that people will click on your videos and watch. Also try different thumbnails and see the one that work for you. Whether natural background, design background, anyone. Okay, and see the one that work for you. See guys, let me be honest. Let me say, there is no that specific thing that will give you 1,000 subscribers, but you have to keep trying different things and see the one that will work for you. Okay, anyone that will work for you, you just go with it. Okay, but this is what I did before I was able to gain my first 1,000 subscribers. So if you have any question, you are free to leave it in the comment section. This is how I got my first 1,000 subscribers. Please, if you haven't liked, make sure you like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. See you on my next video. Please don't